I did not become fluent in English overnight. There was no fancy accent coach, a life-changing course, or a magical word list. All I had were only four things: reading, speaking, listening, and writing. And believe me, I did these four every single day, and it completely changed my life. And if you stick with me till the end of this video, I will show you exactly how many tools I actually used in order to become fluent in English and how you can use them in order to change your life. So without wasting your time, let's get started. Number one is reading. It's actually time to feed your brain. Reading, most of the people, they actually underestimate the value of reading, and they think that in order to sharpen their communication skills, they need to focus on only speaking. And this is where the problem lies. You know what? When I actually started my English language learning journey, my entire focus was on reading. I used to read books that actually resonated with my mind, resonated with my interest. I used to, read novels, blog posts, articles, and research papers. And you know what? When I actually started reading, there was new words. And instead of jumping to the dictionary or Google in order to look up their meanings, I used to guess meanings from the context. And believe me, in most of the cases, I was actually, accurate and right. And you know what? Once you start reading, your brain loves it, because your brain loves recognizing patterns naturally. And there was actually one platform named medium.com. It literally helped me a lot. There are native and non-native people, they actually upload articles on it, and you can actually read them in order to strengthen your communication skill. And you know what? Reading, you need to remember that reading is a gym for your English brain. And you know what? Number two is writing. It's time to express your words. Most of the people, they actually focus on one thing, and that is reading. They keep on reading for months, years, and they never try to express their sentences or their words or their thoughts. And as a result, they feel stuck. But that was not the case with me. As I was reading, at one point I thought that it's the best time to switch to writing and start expressing my thoughts, whatever I actually have learned so far. So as I mentioned, that there was a tool named medium.com. I actually signed this up, and I actually starting writing on this platform. My articles were almost what I actually learned today: how to improve your grammar, how to learn English, very common topics. And with the passage of time, I could actually gain strength over my paragraph writing skills, my essay writing skills, and even I could actually come to know that how to build sentences in order to write better paragraphs. And that's the thing. You need to express your thoughts with the help of writing whenever you are into the journey of learning English and becoming fluent in English. Number three is listening. Most of the people, they actually think that listening is okay, but their entire focus should be on speaking, as I mentioned earlier. But you know what? Listening, you need to think like of a child. When we have a child, he actually listens to us and then starts mimicking. What I actually used to do, I used to go to YouTube, watch TED Talks. It's a very famous platform, and you can learn a lot about different topics. Then I used to go to BBC 6-minute vocabulary. I used to listen it, and I actually used to mimic words, sentences, and even paragraphs. And you know what? With the help of this habit, you definitely develop a structure, a pattern, that your mind automatically speaks the way that the natives speak. So you need to focus on listening as well in order to become fluent in English. And there are two different tools. Number one is Youglish, and number two is Forvo. These are the tools. You can actually find them on Google. What you need to do, you actually type one word, and you can actually definitely listen to pronunciation in UK, USA, Canadian, and Australian accent. And this is a wonderful set of tool, and you can actually learn a lot from it. Number four is speaking. Here comes a twist. It's actually a mixture of reading, writing, and listening. Once you have developed a habit of reading, your mind actually loved, recognizing patterns. You have different words, sentences, paragraphs in your mind. Then you actually wrote, and you could actually express your thoughts. You could actually express your impressions. You could actually express your experience, and then you actually listen to a lot of people. No, you are actually able to speak. And you know what? For speaking, you can actually join online communities on Facebook, WhatsApp, and this is surely going to help you. And if you got one colleague, that's going to be a very, very big blessing. You can actually start practicing. And you know what? If you are an introvert, you can actually stand in front of the mirror and speak whatever you are actually doing. For example, you can pick up one topic that what actually you did today, and then you can actually start speaking about it. And this is how you are actually going to become fluent in English and master your English language journey. This is very easy once you have one thing, and that is consistency. Most of the people, they quit, they give up so quickly, and they try to expect results in 90 days. But you know what? It took me 5 years to learn that language. I'm actually still learning it. And this is the best time for you to keep moving, to keep striving, keep struggling, and keep learning. And one day you are surely gonna be shocked and even blessed that, oh, you did it. And I hope so. You actually learned a lot from this video. And if you got any question in your mind, you can actually comment it, and I would love to read it, and I would actually love to reply it. Thank you so much.